Welcome to the Data Exchange, where we are here with Kwun from BXB Exchange. Which I understand is one of the world's fastest exchanges, and it also has a unique tap trading, gamified trading feature based on that functionality.
Yes, correct, yeah.
Can you tell us more about how tap trading works? What is
Sure.
tap trading?
Well, tap trading, like how it started, because our tech team comes from the Shanghai Futures Exchange. Our CTO was the chief architect there. So we were able to build a platform that's really fast and delivers. And so what we did with tap trading was deliver high-frequency seconds trading, simplify that whole process, and for users it just really looks like a gamified trading platform. So what that does is bring more users to the platform who've never traded. They can get into trading and use a powerful tool like high frequency trading and execute a trade at every single second and get out of a trade at any single second. So it's very like a great way to bring people and a great tool for even experienced traders.
So if I'm using tap trading, what does it look like? Am I just tapping?
Sure. So traditionally, right, people would have to know their limit order, market orders. For a complete beginner, that's quite difficult. But tap trading, we give you 3 buttons. You see the actual price of BTC futures because you're actually placing trades on BTC futures. So 3 buttons: buy, sell, close off. You can put multiple buy orders, multiple sell orders, short or sell, and close out at any single time. So any single second, you can place a trade and close out trades. Yeah.
How's this been going for users so far? Have you found people are really keen on this simplified trading experience?
Yeah, definitely. A lot of our users who have never tried trading before. So we're increasing adoption for trading, and people have been making quite a bit of profit on it as well. Our leading tap trader is actually a 20-year-old from the Philippines. She's never tried trading, never was interested before, but got into it with this and making about $10,000 every month. Yeah.
So imagine for some people to be making gains from it, other people have to be not making gains from it.
Sure,
Yeah.
That's actually a great question because for us, we don't put players against or traders against each other. Every trade that's placed on our platform is immediately hedged out in the open market. And how our traders can see this is that every single person has the exact same line. If we were putting traders against each other, that would mean that my line would be different from yours, but that's not the case because we want people to make money from the open market and not from each other.
Right. So when you draw assets from the open market, how do you go about doing that? Where do the assets on the open market come from?
Sure. So that comes from our market-making partners. They handle all the risks for that, and so they're very good. They come from the top 3 market-making firms. So they're offshoots for Citadel, Sigma, a lot of those big market-making firms, and they're really good in providing, powerful tools so that we don't have to put players against each other.
Yeah. It's quite a significant difference compared to most exchanges.
Yeah. And another unique sell point I'd say is like we really closed off. We're a very retail focused exchange, so we're closed off to institutional and professional traders. The way we see it is like traditionally, it's like if I put NBA players with your regular basketball players, who would win? Really professional traders all the time. So that's why we want to be retail centric, and we're willing to give up the short-term profits for really long-term mass adoption.
Do you think this will be adopted by other exchanges going forward, the simplified trading experience?
I think we're going that route, but we haven't seen anyone really do it, and we're also continuously launching new products. We'll be launching our new kind of BB card, so that's really option trading simplified to the core. And users can use that with all our different strategies or all our different products. And then we're also coming out with our improved stack trading, which is API trading simplified, so anyone can use it. They don't need to know how to code. Every strategy they can select. It's very easy. So we're really trying to bring in more and more tools to empower users.
And the user response, I gather, has been pretty great. You have your top traders.
Yeah.
Do you keep little ranking lists?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So we have competitions all the time with traders, and they can rank and see with their communities, and it's really engaged the community, I'd say. And so it's been very, very fun. And so yeah, it's really good to see a lot of new traders on the platform.
Yeah. I guess with gamifying trading, it helps to have leaderboards and all this.
Yeah, definitely.
Are you seeing any of the traders on the platform think, okay, now I'm ready to go to like a more complex exchange? And
definitely. So our platform also, we have 5 other products. So besides our tap trading, we have your regular spot trading, options trading market, and futures trading market, and then that stack trading I was talking about. So 3 active live markets. What users do is like they come in with trap trading, and then they also want to try options trading or futures trading. They can do that all in one platform.
Wow.
Yeah.
And is that all incrementally rolling out?
Oh, it's all live right now. So
cool.
we did things differently on our exchange. We wanted live products to roll out to users so they can use immediately, and it's good because we're very retail focused. So everyone is fair trading platform.
And going forward, what are some of the features you're hoping to bring in next?
One is that BB card that's coming out. So that what it is simplified options trading, and we're planning to roll out more and more traditional products that are coming very, very soon. So after the BB card, we're going to make upgrades to our tap trading and bring out more traditional, powerful tools and make them more accessible in the crypto world. Yeah.
Well, it might be a cliche, but it does sound like an exchange with a difference.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. We're trying to make a big difference and really serve the retail traders. Yeah.
Well, thanks for joining us, Kwun.
Yes. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah.
The Daily Exchange.